I use my Meta glasses every day. I actually have the whole gang here, but the problem is that I need prescription lenses. My vision isn't that bad, about -2 in each eye, but it definitely helps to have prescription lenses. I got my Gen 1 Metas from Lens Crafters and they cost me $250 for the lenses. The displays I got directly from Meta, and those were an additional $200 for the lenses. As someone who's worn glasses most of their life, these prices are pretty normal, but it's not fun to keep paying $200 plus every time I need to get new glasses. Let's not even talk about how I have to change my prescription every year and then replace all of my lenses. Luckily for my wallet, I found this company called VR Rock, and they make custom prescription lenses for most Meta glasses, as well as other VR and AR headsets. For my prescription and all of the upgrades, most of these upgrades are free by the way, my total for a set of lenses came out to $85 shipped. So I actually ordered a set of lenses from VR Rock to try my Gen 2 Metas, and I made a video of that over here. If you're trying to learn how to swap the lenses in your Ray-Ban Metas, make sure to check that one out. Also, side note, prescription lenses for the Oakley Vanguards are coming. I'll talk about that later on. This video is mainly on how to swap the lenses in your Oakley Meta HSTNs. It was slightly more difficult to put the lenses in than it was on the Ray-Bans, but it was still really easy to do. So let me go ahead and show you how to swap the lenses in your HSTNs. Here's my Gen 2 Metas with the VR Rock prescription lenses that I did a few weeks ago. I haven't had any issues with them at all. And here's the Oakley Meta HSTNs with the stock lenses. I got the basic lenses because I knew I was going to swap them out. They look like they could be prescriptions, but I promise you that they're not. So when you order lenses from VR Rock, this is the packaging they come in. Let's open it up, and inside you get a cleaning cloth. The lenses come inside this storage case. Let's open it up, and the lenses are separated and individually wrapped. They're also marked left and right, but even if you mix them up, they can only fit in the glasses one way. Let's clean up a bit and get started. Here are the HSTNs again. So when you take the lenses out, you're going to pop them out from the inside out. And to show, you're going to push the lens out by pushing through the lens with your thumbs. Let's start on the left lens. Just push through with your thumbs while bracing the frame with the rest of your hand. And they just pop right out. Let's do the other side. And they're out just as fast. Real quick, here's the frame and the lenses that we just popped out. Let's put the right lens in first. So to put these back in, you're going to start in the corner near the arm because that's the section of the frame that's the most rigid. Then just work your way around until it clicks into place. I'm going to show this without any cuts so you can see how long it takes to actually install the lenses. I did struggle a little bit and I swap lenses in these glasses all the time. So don't get frustrated if it takes you a while to get them set in place. It's so relieving once you hear that final click. Let's do the left lens now. Again, you're going to start in the corner and just work around the frame. Try not to worry about breaking the lens when you're doing this. Same with the frame too. But at the same time, if you feel like you're flexing the frame too much, you probably are. It does take some force to get them in there, but you shouldn't be bending or flexing the frame. I found the lenses on the HSTNs were a little harder to put in than on the Ray-Bans. You get a little more wiggle room on the Ray-Bans to click them in place. On the HSTNs, it pretty much has to be perfect because of the frame shape around the nose pad section. There's that best sound in the world. I might have got a couple fingerprints on it, so let's clean these up. I like to use Whoosh because it's alcohol and ammonia free, so it's safe to use on your Meta glasses. You'll want to spray your cleaning cloth and not directly on the glasses themselves. Let's clean these up, then dry them off. It looks like the original lenses, but I swear this time they're the prescription lenses. So I did struggle a little bit, but it was still easy to do. And I've actually swapped lenses before, so I technically should know what I'm doing. My prescription is about -2 in each eye, and the lenses were about the same thickness as the ones that popped out of the glasses, so it might be slightly more difficult to do if you have a higher strength lenses. Now when I ordered the lenses from VR Rock for my Ray-Bans, it took 11 days to be delivered. The HSTNs were even faster and arrived in 9 days. It's going to be different for everyone, but hopefully it's a good reference for you. So if you're interested in buying prescription lenses for any of your Meta glasses or for your VR or AR headsets, definitely check out VR Rock and make sure to use my code ROAM to save 10% off your purchase. And depending on when you're watching this video, VR Rock is actually running their Black Friday sale from now until December 5th. So you can save 15% off your purchase using my code ROAMBF15. I'll make sure to have everything linked in the description for you. Their prices include free worldwide shipping by the way, with no additional tariffs, taxes, or duties. Alright, so if you own the Oakley Meta Vanguards or have been holding off on getting them because you can't get them with prescription lenses, I've been talking to VR Rock and they are developing inserts for them. I'm not sure when those will be available, but I'll definitely let everyone know when you can get them. I got a little secret. Another company has reached out to me to try out the prescription lens inserts for the Vanguards, and they should arrive in about a week. So if you're interested in those, make sure to subscribe to catch when I make that video. But yeah, if you have any questions about swapping the lenses in your Oakley or Ray-Ban Metas, or about anything in general, just leave a comment below. Even if you want to know what my favorite pizza topping is, just ask in the comments. It's pineapple, by the way.